friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Pikachu Easter edition, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first, let's get started with Pikachu's nose. So right in the center of the face, we're going to draw in a small sideways oval, and then we'll just color that in black. Let's come down now for the mouth in the middle. We're going to curve this out to the left, and then we'll replicate that as we curve that up and over on the right. Let's step underneath now for the mouth. So we're going to draw in a nice big arch line, bringing that up to the side. And for our tongue, just curving that line across. Let's come up for the eyes. So coming up on a diagonal from the nose, we're going to draw in a circle. We'll step across on the right-hand side, lining that up at the exact same height, replicating that. Now coming in towards the inside edge, we're going to draw in another circle for that highlight. And then we'll mirror that on the opposite side, on the right-hand side as well. Now from here, let's color in our eye black. Let's continue to frame in the face now. So stepping up for the top of the head, we're going to curve this line over. We'll leave a small gap where the ear is going to be, curving this down and in on both sides. So we'll line this up as best as we can on the right, ending that at the same height. Let's bring the cheek out. So starting back on this line, we're going to blend this out, tucking this around, pulling that back in. And then we're going to replicate that on the opposite side as well. Again, ending that at the same height. Let's round out the cheek here. So from the bottom, drawing in a nice big circle, connecting that on the top, as well as on the right-hand side. Let's draw on the ears. So from the top here, curve this up and out towards the left. We'll replicate that on the right-hand side as well. From that point, we're going to tuck this back in underneath, and we'll replicate that on the right-hand side as well. Now moving down, we're going to curve this up and through to the top. Let's come down for the arms now. So on the left-hand side, curving this around, tucking that in, replicating that on the right, ending that at the same distance there. Now from here, we're going to draw in 4 triangles that come across for the fingers. So we're going to draw a small diagonal line that comes in. We're going to do that 2 more times. So bringing this out and back down. We'll do that again for our third one. And then again, lastly, for the 4th. Now from here, we're going to bring this one further out for the 5th for the thumb. So just bringing this out to the side, tucking that back in. And then from that point, we're just going to tuck the arm up to that edge, leaving a gap. Let's draw in the Easter egg shaped Pokeball here. So on the top, we're going to draw in a nice big arch line, making that pointier in the center as we tuck that down. Let's get wider at the base here. So on the left-hand side, imagining this comes through under the hand, tucking this around, pulling that into the center. And then we're just going to continue to tuck this back into the right. Again, imagining that this just matches up underneath the hand. Let's draw in a very small circle right in the middle. Let's move around that, replicating that, making this one bigger. Now let's step up. We're just going to draw in a nice big arch line. And then we're just going to leave a gap, lining that up at the same height, replicating that, ending that at the same distance as well on the right. We're going to flatten these lines out on the side. Let's draw on the body now. So coming down on the left, we're going to curve this around and in, and we'll do the exact same thing on the right, ending that at the same height. Now on the left-hand side, we're going to leave a gap. We're going to tuck this down, up, and into the middle. Stepping across on the right, we're just going to replicate that pattern. Now for Pikachu's foot, we're going to step in on this line, curving this out, tucking that back through on the leg, and we'll replicate that on the right as well. Let's draw in 2 curved lines coming in towards the middle on both sides of the feet. Now let's move up for the tail. So we're going to draw a diagonal line coming across. We'll pull this line back in on a diagonal again. From that edge, we're going to bring this over to the body. And then we'll bring this back out to the side of the page. Again, let's continue this as we pull this through to the body. We're going to draw another small diagonal line. And then just closing that off, bringing that in towards the knee. We'll draw in a zigzag pattern underneath. And that is it. That's how you draw Pikachu Easter Edition. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.